Morning. We are now going to be trading binary option live as always. And if you see this as a recording, yes, you can also join. I do always post in good time links so you can get a notification at YouTube and all this good stuff for when I have my live sessions. You find link below the video for that. Also, if you want to join this broker that you're using in our live sessions, you find a link below the video for that also. I will also now post this link into the chat, so you're able to join this broker from there also. And yes, as you see, all the way to the right there, make sure you join me at Discord. We will do live sessions there later on. For now we do every Saturday, but we are planning to do every day there. We are trying to move away from YouTube. We don't want to be at YouTube anymore. But yes, for now we're going to be at YouTube at least for a little while longer. Now let's see, let's post this link in the chat here also. There, okay. Everyone also make sure you push like. This helps so YouTube push us out to more people. I will now just put out the link for different type of groups so we get some more people into the live stream and we will get started. I also need to go live in the Academy because I also are live in the Academy. We are not only in YouTube. There. Okay. And let's post one over here also. Okay. Then let's log in. Let's start. Who are live together with me now? Tell me in the chat. And the most important thing, coffee. We can't do nothing without coffee. And good morning, Kyle. Good morning, Justin. How are you two today? Been trading? Just relaxing? Now let's see. Looks like you have something at the top. I don't even need to look. So let's take a trade in the top here. This is for, looks like this to be one of our favorite. No, it's on 60%. Do you know what? I take it, by the way. I take one trade. If go up to the top, I will take it, even with 60%. Let's take, just take a $50 trade, as it's so low. Just till we get started for real here now. I'm waiting. I'm uploading the file from yesterday to the Academy because I need to go live there also. So I'm currently uploading. I was a little late today, so need to upload every single day my sessions from the last day. Yeah, same like me then. This is for me very early. But the ones that want to make money, they wake up early. If you're a type of person that need to sleep long in the day, it's also high probability that you're not making. Either you're super rich and you don't need to work, or you're not making that much. We can say like that. I think it's a very small percent. Now let's see. Now let's see. Who else are live? I see there are 7 people live. If anyone else want to present themselves, that would be nice. Present yourself in the way of where you're from, if you're new here, if you've been trading before, or you're just getting started. Things like that. Okay, 6:24. So basically, you're 1 hour earlier than me then, because it's here is 7:24. And I know people in Europa mostly is 5 hours the other way, 5 or 6, 4, 5, and 6. I guess it is. And at least in Norway, they are 5 hours more than us. It's like half 1 so soon there in day. Now let's see. Let's see here now. I'm on the fence. I think, do you know what? We skip this one. Let's keep it real to today. Do you know what? We are going to step up our game. I will step up my game. I will go to 200 now. I always take $100 trades. Now I will start to do $200 trades. I can't start to be so big now. So let's see if my emotions can keep me in check. Trading 200. I've been trading 100 now for a very long time. Now let's see how we can do with 200. But then typically I put a target of 500 a day. Now let's take this target to 1000. Can't go to Disney World with my daughter and my wife next year if if I keep to the $100. Need to have some money, right, Justin? Now let's see. No, if it was not for this one, I think we could maybe, just maybe look some. I'm still looking at its BM, this Binance coin. We can't trade that one. Don't trade, at least not $200 on a 60%. That is crazy. Now let's move on. And this one broke. Good that it didn't go in. Euro against Australian. Euro against Canadian. I think we can skip that one also quite nicely. Euro against Japanese yen. Let me check if this one, yes, it's done. Just wait a little, I need to prepare. So we go live in the session here also. I'm a little late. No, actually, it's 7:30 I go live there also, so I know, just talking a little to myself. I'm going live in a session for a school also. And there. Then I think we have everything in order. Now we can start for it. Okay. Now I will really go in to find something here now. Now let's see. In the top here we have something. At least have 3 tries. We can mark it for now as we're early in the session. Maybe this can be something later. Let's see. There. I think if you take the thickest line, that will cover this one that is a little higher. Let's see. Let's see. I accept it. We have the first one marked. Good morning, Robert. Now let's see here. We have 2 in the top over there. We have 2 here also. Let's mark this for now. I'm not trading it, okay? This one I remember was up, so we have 2. Let's make this. I'm not trading it yet, so let's wait a little. Now let's see. And everyone that is live, that is not yet, make sure you follow me in Discord. We are going to be trading more and more live over there. I'm planning to do a lot of giveaways. That's also one of the reasons I'm stepping up my game here now. Instead of taking $100 trades, I'm now going to check if I can keep my emotion in check with $200. Oh, far away. Okay, understand. Yes. And we need to have a test, I think, also on this one before we can trade it. But you know what? We are early in the session, so we can mark it. But yes, I think here we will need one test before we consider this one also. Okay, let's continue here. Let me see. We'll move this one a little more up there. We need at least one more try before I even consider it. Let's move on. There. Do we see something? This one is a little difficult to see. I need to... Maybe we have something here. Let's see. Let's put a line there. Let's take it to the thickest line and let's see what we can do. This one is a little... Let's wait and see. We have one that's a little higher, but let's let this one also be for now, and let's see a little bit later. Now we'll just check this tree. Okay, nothing on this one. Nothing here yet. And this one was far away also, as far as I remember. Yes. Okay. And if we can get a good test one time on this blue, we can look at this one also. But for now, no trades. So not so much luck today, till now. And now, for the ones that don't follow regularly, I do not trade at 5 seconds. Every time we are moving in between here, we need to change this one here. So we have 5 second fixed. That's what I do. No, 30 seconds. Oof. Don't have more coffee either. This one have opened from before. Okay. Let's move on. I am also still working on robots for Forex and binary option. Binary option, I am still not satisfied. And I'm not 100% satisfied at the Forex also. The Forex robot is amazing, but this one is in version 1 for now. It's trading too much yet. But when I start to can remove some of the strategies that probably do not give profit yet, this one will be just better and better. But currently, yes, it's a robot that can make a lot of money, and it's a robot you turn on and forget about. That's what you like the most. And that's what I'm looking for to make for binary option also. We don't want these ones that you need to turn on and be careful and run once in a while. We need the ones that you can just turn on. I think we can put a line there for now and follow at least. Like that, my channel was all about robots in the past, but I did figure out very fast that many people did not manage to run them properly. Then I did stop it because I don't want something that people lose money with. To be quite frankly, the strategy I have not managed to make properly is what you're doing right now. That is a little difficult to make for some strange reason. To automate what you're doing now. On this broker and other brokers, I have not been successful to make that. Because it's difficult, basically indicators, that's the reason the robots don't work. They can automate any strategy any other YouTuber show you, but in reality you will figure out very fast that these strategies don't make you money. They actually make you lose money. That's why they also promote it in their videos, because they make money basically when you lose money. I have set up so I make money for the amount of trades you do. So I put up different. Of course you make less money that way, because most people they lose their money right away. But I don't have conscious to set up something like that. No one else have found any thing we can trade yet. For now we just have possibility trades. There are very few setups for now. I have this blue line here now, so if you can come down and test just one more time. I will activate this one here, but for now we just need to continue because it's nothing we can trade right now. But it looks like GBP GPY is the one that is closest to be activated. Dollar against Swiss francs. There really are very few trading opportunities. Nope. Then dollar against svenske kroner. Probably in the bottom here. Let's see, let's take a mark. Let's take a look. If you take it there, let's stretch that one for the thickest. I think actually that no, it's a below, but fits good with this one. I think for now, when we have so little, I will start to accept things that is not perfect. I don't like it, but what can we do? We can't be trading nothing. I don't think I actually had one session where I have not traded nothing. And this is not going to be the first one. Of course, we have a lot of time yet. We are going to trade more 50 minutes. We are a little early today, but that will not change the time, so I will trade till more 50 minutes today. So much time. Let's check some cryptocurrency. Let's check Bitcoin. We are down to 3 people live. I guess it's boring when you don't trade. People don't have patience, I see that. I think that's also the make the difference between the ones that want to make money from the ones that think they want they think they want to make money. It's a big difference. Because if you want to make money, you need to put in the effort to work extra. Some people, they just want it on a silver plate. That's why I don't accept to have a copy trading of me automatically. Because then you have these people that don't even come into the live stream. They will just turn on the copy thing and sleep long. That's good, Justin. That's make us the ones that really fight for it, you know. That's why I said that's why I can't have this automatic copy, because then people just do that and I will just sleep long and I'll sit here by myself in my live stream. Probably you will be here, Justin, and Kyle and Robert, but other people, they will just sleep long and we will be here by ourselves. My hope, like I said before, I would like to have this live streams. I will have 100 people. And to be quite frank, I think we can reach that rather easier on Discord. I just need you all also to invite your friends over to Discord. Because bigger community we get there, faster we can start to do live sessions there instead, and there you have 0 delays. And I remember when you were there was much better system. The only problem is that the stream is not recorded, but I will fix that, by the way. I will just run OBS Studio at the same time and record the session, and then maybe upload it to YouTube or see if I can find a special place I can make it. Actually, I'm always have been thinking about make my own website also just for this, where I can have my live streams and everything. So let's see. Nothing on Deutsch. Polygon. Let's see. Oud. Okay, let's check that one. I think that's this one here. Okay, I guess it was close at least. Let's see if we stop up there. If I move this line up here, will we have something? No, broke that one also. No, then sadly this one did just break. And we were waiting just for a test, by the way, so I guess no one did take a trade there. Let's see very fast the ones we have open before we continue. This one we did see, dollar against Japanese yen. This one we need to test on this for activate this one down there. Here, I don't know what we had here, but we don't, at least now we have nothing. And let's just remove all over this line here. I think we can even just close it. Let's take euro against Canadian dollar. And regular also. Okay. And the Swedish crown, they just break also. We never got to activate that one either. We are not finding so many good support resistance now. Let's see here. We are doing our best to find something here. There were, I don't find one decent line today. This is weird. Let's Ripple. Ripple is a coin I never did like, but for some reason they're quite popular. No. Now let's check Brett. We have 2 tests there and 2 tests there. Let's put in 2 lines and see if we can get something on this one. 1 there. Let's see if you take this one to the thickest, and we take 1 in the top there, and that's now basically if we can get 1 more test on this one, we activate this one. I know it's just 3, not 2, but it will be just 3, but what can we do? When there's so few opportunities, we need to find things. So now basically this one should give us something very soon, because you have 2 lines. I think we just wait for this one for now. While we do that, let me check a few things here. Do people have, you that are live here now, it looks like you're breaking down in here now. Let me see if I zoom in. My god, we are not making one good support resistance more. Are they on to us? Have they made our strategy not work more? If so, we need to maybe we need to trade the same way we trade at pocket option here now, because today I have not, to be quite frank, I have not seen one good line, not even when I look at the history. Can that be? Can that be? Huh. Just maybe we need to update our game. Actually looks little like it for me, because before we could always find these perfect lines, you know, but now I don't see it. So maybe their chart is more like pocket option now. I have seen that since yesterday. That was few opportunities. We found some on Binance coin, but the rest was not easy to find. Let's pay attention to that now. Let's go a little to the history. We did find something beautiful, remember? But I don't see that now. Okay, we had something here, but not so many. See, it's different heights. Maybe they're on to us. We were too successful. But that it's no worries. We always can change our style a little. And this one I will say probably we can trade if we come up here now. It's not perfect, but if we need to okay, let's do that. Yeah, and it's what I'm thinking also, Justin. It looks more like that now. Probably we were too good, and they have basically just updated because to make it more difficult. Because in that way the brokers, of course, they make money if we lose money. So we just always need to find something that is a little better, so we have the edge on our side. So probably yes, they have changed the chart, because when I look history, always before we could, like here for example, would be a beautiful line But you see, we don't have that now. It would be a beautiful line here that we easily could trade, but now we see we don't have that. So probably they have done an update in their system and changed their chart to be more like that broker. Okay, let's see. Like, by the way, I will take a trade in the top here now, because at least it's an area I will trade. There. Oh, I think I did trade there now. I don't know where my entry is, but let's see. With that, I do not feel comfortable with 200. I will go back to 100, as we don't have any good lines. I will not take the first day with. So now I will not. 1 minute trades, and I don't think that will make so much difference. Yes. Problem if you do 1 minute trade here, Justin, we will not get paid 95%. That's the problem. That's why we keep it to 30. But we won that one, so we are $190 in profit. So that was a good start. But yes, I think we can't look for perfect lines more now. We need to look for areas where we see the spikes. So let's do that instead. And now I want to take my trade up there. Let's see. I got one entry there now. Let's see. I think we need to do that like that. We need to update our strategy. And for now, this looks like what we need to do. That means hedge trade is out of the picture. We can't do hedge trading because they're broke. Because basically we don't have a clear break of our line. So that was not good. But we are still in profit. That's why we are not finding anything. They have changed it. This sneaky bastard. Okay, that's okay. We always will need to update our game then. But that's good. That's good. Then at least we will trade the same on these two brokers. That means whatever strategy we use here, we can use there also. So that make it better for us. We can work on one strategy for both. Because yes, we don't see a clear line more like we had in the past. They were so easy to trade on this broker in the past. Now we need to step up our game. But I take that challenge. Till now we can say we have 1 win, 1 loser, but we started with $200 trade. I have now gone down to 100. Because when we are discovering a new, I think, do you know what? I don't like it, but I want to put one chart on the, if you're going to trade like this, I think I want to put one chart, not chart, but indicator on the screen. It's an indicator that can tell me a little if you're going to break a support or not. So let's add the stochastic RSI. Okay, so that tells me a little when we are coming down to support, for example. If we come down to support and we are below, down here, below the 30, that shows me that it's a higher probability that the support will hold. The same when we are up testing our resistance. If we are above, no, actually it's below 20 actually, and if you are above 80, that tells me that the resistance probably will hold. That is a thing I have added to other broker also. So like this is what we had in the past, perfect lines like this, you know, with a long line like this. But yes, looks like we need to update our game. Now let's see. I am going to work on it. I will find the perfect strategy. And the cool thing then, like I said, we can use the same strategy on every broker also. So we are like here now we see, but I see that we are in the middle here, so I think he easily will break this one here. But the line the line is good actually. Let me take a look. I'm breaking my own rules before I even start to make new rules. What's the deal with that? I'm sure he will break this one because we are low with the stochastic RSI. That showed me that we have much pressure from the bottom and he might go up. Like I said, I don't use indicators in itself because they are lagging. It's lagging indicators, but we use it for checked what pressure, where we have the pressure, and then now the pressure are in the bottom. But for now, that's why I think he will break it. I'm very scared to take a trade here. Like at Rio, we did break it easily up because the RSI, the stochastic RSI, told us that he had a pressure from the bottom. So rather the line up here, I think would be more interesting. Something up there. Let's see if we can come up there. If we can get up in this region here, I think that will be more interesting. So, like I said, we will now only take. You basically put the lines more or less like we did in the past, but we will not have a perfect line more. But when you come up here, and this stochastic RSI is above 80, shows us that it's a high probability that the line up here will hold. Okay, makes sense? Now we see that it starts to be high. That means the probability up here starts to be higher and higher. So I think if we can get one more bar like this now, this will continue up. We can then activate the one up here, and I'll do a trade. Now let's see. Okay, we need just one more bar for this one to be activated. That's it. And once again, if someone wants to copy what I'm doing, I'll post the link once again in the chat here now while we're waiting. Just join with the link you see there, and if you want to use my promo code, you get 200% on your first deposit, so make your first one count. Okay. Let's continue. Also, like I said, in Saturday, with a pinned link, you will see a link to my Discord. We will trade live there in Saturday. So make sure you join to Discord. Everything there will be completely free. I'm even going to open other opportunities later. That is something I'm thinking about. I will not tell what it is yet, but there will be some goodies there, we can say. Now here we have something beautiful. I will take a trade. Of course, you moved away from it. Let me take a line around here. Let's make it a green line. And if the stochastic could just go a little more down, that would be nice. So I'm looking to take a trade at 11,128.9388. This is for Swiss 20. So let's see if you can get in something there. If we can come down to this green line, that would be pretty nice. Very little movement. That makes it easy to trade also. Maybe we have something at the top there. I want to wait at least till the stochastic RSI tells me we can take a trade up there. As that's the new thing now, we need now we need an indicator to tell us a little also. But this moves a little too boring for me. Maybe we'll see something else. UK. Also very slow moving shit. $30. I'm not sure what to say. I don't see nothing. I think we go over to some cryptocurrency instead with our new rule book. Let's just remove all this shit. Okay, now we are high here. Okay, looks like we are building up a line there now. What I will look for here. Let's zoom out to see. We don't have any things up here. Stochastic tell me that we are in a region. Let me just have 2 tries up here. If this one can close and we open a new and we come up here, then we'll go down. Let's do that. But we need to wait for the next bar before we can activate something here now. If we continue to go too much up, I'm not interested because we need to have a closing below the line at least. Let's see. Maybe up there. If we go up there again, we see he's now stopping up here now. If you come up one more time, I will consider it. Yeah, let's do that. If you come up to this red line, I will take a trade. Let's see if that can happen. There, we are very high with the stochastic. We see that we have an area that is somehow building up. Let's see if this can turn into a winner trade. Let's see. So we are evolving now to the new system. Looks like we're successful. We lost that trade. That was not good, but all good. We can continue here. We are still high. Now we are crossing, so that's good. So if you can come up again, we will take one more trade. For the day, we are $10 in minus, so it's not bad. Not bad at all. But yes, this mother effers, they have changed their bars. I think now they use the same like other brokers use, so we don't have these perfect lines more. Make it much more difficult to trade. But okay, we take the challenge. We are going to make it work by the way. Up here, for example, I would say would be a zone I would be interested in. But yes, now we need to Work harder. If this one was lower, I would consider a trade here. I think we need to wait a little longer, so this one at least move along down. So we are $10 in minus for the day. Like I said, it's not bad, but it's not good either. No Disney World for this, Justin. Okay, now I think we start to have something in the bottom here. Let's take a line around there. Let's see. If I come down to our blue line there, I will consider taking a 30-second trade up. Let's see. Dollar, okay. Let me open that one. Wait, I have something here now. I will take this one and I will jump over Justin. If you can just come down to my blue line here, I will take it. Bad entry, but let's wait and see. You said USD CH. Okay, let's take CNH. CNH. Let's see. Are we losing this one here? Ah. Okay. I'm done $110 today. Yeah, up here we had something, yes, I would agree. I would really agree on that one. Okay, here I would say down here now. Let's if you come down again, I'll take it. Let's see. If we do, there, I'm in. That should give us money. Let's see. I'm crossing my fingers for that. Let's see. But yes, we are really working hard for our coins today. I really am not a fan of this strategy now. I'll take one more there. I was a little early on that one, but maybe we win. Now let's see. We see we got the crosser now. We are at a support area. This one probably will be a winner. Let's see. And yes, 95 plus 95. Okay, let's see if we can get in one more down there. That would be nice. Let's see. If this one turn red, I will take a trade. Let's see now if it will do that for us. Oof, I almost had to click the button. I did manage to move it away. Did almost do a mistake. Okay, if he can come down again, we will take it. I want it at least below this bar here. It looks like now we get the continuation up. But yes, they made it a little more difficult for us, but I'm down $115, so we need 2 winners to turn profit. I would say today I will be happy just to turn profit till we get a strategy in that we can feel that we are doing good with. I see that when he starts to be flat, you see, that's the time we can take trades. So here he started to be flat. Ah yeah, he was flat here. Let's see. This is work in project, not work in project, work in something. I don't feel we have it completely yet, but let's see. USD GPY, let me take a look at that one, Justin. This pays only 89, but maybe that's a good thing. Let's see. Yes, here I would also say, yes, a little late to the game. We see that here the RSI, stochastic RSI was flattening, and we came down to the line. So we see that when it's flattening actually around, like in the case for trades, when it's up in, let's see if we can make this different. Let's see here now. I want to, let's see. Let's take this one to 95 and let's take this one to 5. Okay, now I think we have it. See here now, when we are below, when we are in the 5%er, that means the support is strong, and when we are above the 95, that means the resistance is strong. So work in progress. Thank you, Robert. That was the thing I was trying to say. Work in progress. Yeah. There you have it. Thank you. Sometimes you have something on the tongue and you don't manage to say it. But yes, I think that there we have it. And this is a strategy I think we can work with now. So now we only trade when we have the stochastic RSI below this area and we are coming close to a line we can put up. Then we take the trade. I think there we can have it. Okay, dollar CNH, I think we have that one open. Yes, let's take a look. Yeah, but in this case, as we don't have regular, we don't have the same here. I think here now he will continue up. See, we knew it because of this one here now. So let's keep to this new rule now, that we only take resistance when the stochastic RSI is above here now, because as we don't have a clear areas more, we can't trade the old way. So I think we this implementation I see here, for example, see here now, we could have get trades because you see, okay, here was a little, not all the way down, but here we would have traded and we would have taken this too, at least. Maybe this one also. So you see that holds. And here, we would see here we had something, right? So we have taken a line here, waited. Here, we don't want this too. So this for me looks like that we can work with. So we only take, yeah, we have it. Where we find it? See here, Justin. Do you see this bid-ask price you see up here in the right side of time frame? Push this thing you see here. This here you get full screen. The one to left. So the one to the right for ask, just push that one, and just write stock. As STO is enough, and it's the number 2 here. That's the one. And then when you have done that, go to the menu here, says in the bottom says stock RSI, push this wheel thing and go to style and change the upper limit to 95 and lower limit to 5. Then I think we have something that we can work on. The problem, Kyle, with the crossover will not work for us because it's a lagging indicator. So we'd rather keep it for now for support resistance because you will lose a lot of opportunities. Because I have made robots that take trades on cross, and the win rate is terrible. So we don't trade based on the stochastic, we trade based on the support resistance. We only looked at more like a confirmation that the probability that the support resistance will hold. Because I had the robot trading every single strategy that, because the robots I made in the past, I needed to use indicators, and they were not so successful, to be quite frankly with you. I had the MACD on 2 minutes. If you search on YouTube, you'll find a huge YouTuber talking about that. I did make a robot that traded exactly the way he said, and the robot that was basically throwing money down the drain. So it's not working. That's the sad thing. So that's why we need, I think only support resistant is the one that actually work. Now, of course, we need to be innovative and work a little harder on it. But like here now, for example, if you take a line here now, very soon now, of course he broke down, but let's see if we can see something in the past. We see that we had something here. So if now this stochastic RSI come below here now, this area start to be more interesting. Let's see if we can turn profit in this session. That would be amazing, as we are working on a new system for us here now. And this will actually, like we was talking about, this is something we can bring with us to any broker also. And that is pretty cool. So let's see. So like our good friend said, Robert, work in progress. Okay, I will take a trade there now. Let's see if it comes down again. I will turn this one to a green one just so we are clear about that. Let's zoom in. I'll move it a little more up. I'll say down there. I will take it if we come down there again. Let's see. I will be happy to take a trade on the green line now. Let's wait and see. Because we see now he's low, super low, and he's have a super much pressure in the bottom. That means it's a very low probability that he will break below here now. Let's see. Come on, go down again. No trade this time, but at least we were ready for it. I will still take it if he turn red and come down to this region. Let's see. Maybe I do that now. Would be nice. I want to come down to green before I take a trade. Let's see. I want a little better entry than this. I know I'm greedy. Do you know I take one there? I have a good feeling for it. Let's see. If you go lower, I will take one more, but I think this will be good. Now let's see. Let's see. More 6 seconds. And come on now. Yes! Yes. Cool. Now we are just minus 20. I take one more there. And one more there. 2 good entries. Now let's see. If we win these 2, then I will be super happy. I take one more there. Now I have 3 trades going on. I will not take more now. Now let's see how this plays out. It don't looks good for now, to be quite frankly with you. Don't lose this 3. Come on. Come on now. Yes. Come on. Come on. Then you're in profit, actually. Amazing. Amazing. So then we take minus 100 for the first. Then we take 95 plus 95. And we are $70 in plus. Okay. So, I don't understand exactly what you say, Justin. Sorry for that. Maybe it's because I have not drank enough coffee for this morning. But looks like we have something that is working half decent. At least we are now in profit, $70 in profit. So we see what happened here now. We are below this 95% area. We had our line, and you can see that he respects this area. Do you see? Now, for example, he's a little higher, so now we are not trading it. Now we need, so this one we are not trading, you know, because you see now he's above this magic zone we have. So now maybe he will go more down, okay? Just be aware of that. But in the areas where we see that we are below here, we can take it. So for now, these are working for us. I'm quite happy with that. How are we in time, by the way? We have traded more than 1 hour. Let me just see how long time we have been trading total on the... I will trade more 7 minutes, okay? 7 minutes more. Let's do that. We go for 7 minutes more. Like I said, you see, because now you see the stochastic was a little high, like 18. And what I said was a high chance he'd continue downwards. And what happened? He continued downwards. So we see now that the stochastic in the 0 to 5 area, then we can buy. And then we can, like now, maybe this will be a line, right? But only if the stochastic can come down in this region again. You see? So I think now we have adapted to the new way of trading. And we will build on this, of course. We get less trades. So that means we probably will go higher with our bids because I need my 500 a day. But let's see on that. But at least we have found probably our new trading style in this session. If, of course, if you find something that works better, tell me later on in a chat in the future. Oh, of course, I'll test it out. The area where the trade is marking. Sorry, Justin, maybe I'm completely lost here. I still don't understand you. I'm sorry. If you could ask me after the session, just send me a voice message or something, so then we can figure it out. Because I think I need more coffee. Was a little blown off that we did see that they have changed the system, but in some way make it interesting also, because we are figuring out a new way of trading. And looks for me, if you say the win rate from here, because I think here we implemented it, we have 5 trades and 1 loser. So now, for example, we see the stochastic going high. So that means this area here could be interesting, probably. Let's see, something in the matter of up here. I'm not trading it yet. Of course, we need to wait till the stochastic maybe will be the one up here now. Let's wait and see. Up here will be interesting also. Let's see what will end, where we end up. The trade number don't match the trade. You two speak another language than me today. Maybe I'm so completely stupid. I don't. The trade number. I don't understand what you two, but seems like you two understand what you two are talking about. So must be me then that is a little slow here today. For me, here this direction looks good now. The trade number. I'm baffled about it. Is it this one? Not this. Can that 7? Yeah, I see that this number here is different from the number here. But had that mattered with the trading? I see that now here 8. Yeah, is it this you're talking about? Okay, understand. I think at least. Yeah, maybe they have just recently updated their chart and things are a little glitchy. At least we have managed to trade it, but yeah. Okay. But I see this number here don't match the number we see here also. You see the number we have in between up and down here is different from, you see the last number here says 4 and this one says 2. So it's a little different in between the numbers. I think maybe they you on all the trades today? Oh, that's good, Justin. I think that maybe they have a small glitch in their system as they have clearly done some updates, because you see the number that says here is different from the number that says on the green here. So, but when that is said, I think I'm interested to take a trade up there now. Let's see. We are not high enough yet here. I'm not taking it yet, but let's see. I want to wait one more bar. And what's going on here now? Okay. Now, on the other hand, I will take a trade. Take it there. Let's see. So the price, let's see how this plays out. It's breaking up. I had profit. I could have ended the session in profit, but I was stubborn and did take one more trade. And we lost that one. Okay, I'm then $30 in minus. I call that 0. So I think we stop there for today. I will ask my account manager for the glitch about values, because they are different in the numbers. I see that. So we stop here today. I will be back again tomorrow. Let's continue working on our strategy, because obviously we need a new strategy trading on this broker now. but this will be a universal strategy, so we can use it on other brokers also if you want to do so. So that's it for today. Not so much profit, but this is work in progress. So have an amazing day, and I'll see you all later.